Can you deduct medical capital expenses for tax savings? Imagine turning a costly home upgrade into a tax benefit. That's what understanding medical capital expenses can do for your tax savings. Some expenses related to healthcare can be deducted, but not all. It depends on what you spend money on and how you handle it on your taxes. Medical expenses are only deductible if they are unreimbursed and go beyond 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. You have to itemize your deductions to claim these costs. These expenses include payments for diagnosis, treatments, and devices that help your health. For example, eyeglasses, hearing aids, wheelchairs, crutches, and artificial limbs are all included. When it comes to capital expenses, most are not deductible because they are considered property improvements. But if a capital expense is mainly for medical care, it might qualify. For instance, if you install a wheelchair ramp or an elevator in your home to help with mobility, you can deduct the part of the cost that does not increase your home's value. Say the ramp costs $10,000 and it raises your property value by $3,000. You can only deduct the remaining $7,000. This is because the deduction is limited to the expense that is directly related to medical care and does not count as a permanent improvement that adds value to your home. Some medical capital expenses are straightforward to deduct. Buying a wheelchair, hearing aids, or service animals are clear examples. These are costs that are directly for medical use and do not affect your property value. For home modifications, keep detailed records. Save receipts and, if possible, get an appraisal or estimate of how much your home's value increased. This helps you prove the part of the expense that is deductible. Also, check your total medical expenses and compare them to your adjusted gross income to see if itemizing makes sense. Many Black families face higher medical costs, so knowing what qualifies can help you save money on taxes. Working with a tax professional familiar with medical expense rules can make sure you get the most benefit. They can help you understand how much of your home improvements or medical devices you can deduct. In summary, some medical capital expenses are deductible if they are mainly for medical care and do not increase your property's value. For home improvements, only the part that exceeds the value increase is deductible. Keeping good records and understanding these rules can help you maximize your tax deductions and save money on your taxes.